Hello and welcome to Big John's Thoughts on the Market for April 2016. I want to just talk to you for a few minutes around the important statistics around the Calgary area real estate market. And as usual, we really look at the absorption rate. And in conjunction with that absorption rate, I want to talk to you a little bit about the number of sales to new listings ratio as well, because those two things are really, really important when we're trying to figure out the health of our market and where it's going over the next few months. So if you take a look at the city of Calgary overall, there's about 3.5 months worth of supply in the market. And at 3.5 months worth of supply is where we start transitioning from a balanced market into a buyer's market. So we're sitting right on the cusp of that. The number of new sales to listings is sitting at about 0.55. We like to see that number a bit higher. Be ideal sort of 0.6, 0.65 of a sale for every new listing. But again, just sort of sitting on the cusp of that balance to buyer market. And as we dig into the various sectors of the market, you're going to see some big differences here. So if you take a look at single family homes, there's under 3 months worth of supply of single family detached homes, about 2.75 months worth of supply, with the listings to sales ratio being at about 0.62. So that market, that single family detached market, is doing fairly well. It's holding its own. It's relatively balanced. And again, that's typically for the lower price product. The higher price product is taking a little bit longer to sell. Attached homes, things like duplexes, things like that, we have about 4.26 months worth of supply in the market, with about 0.5 sales for every new listing coming onto the market. So again, that is shifting into a buyer's market. And apartment style condominiums, this is where we see some great buying opportunities right now. There's almost 6 months worth of supply in the market, with about 0.4 sales for every new listing coming into the market. So again, if you're looking at investing, buying your first property, those apartment style condominiums, there's some really good deals that are out there, and there's getting to be more and more supply of it. Total sales are down about 10% from a year ago. New listings are down about 2.5%. So that's great. The supply side of our equation is staying very much in check. We're not seeing a ton of new listings coming onto the market. A lot of that is because the market is softer and that the prices are being held in check. Total number of listings, there's about 6% more listings at this time this year than there was a year ago. And again, it's not really because a bunch of new listings are coming onto the market. It's just because those number of sales aren't really quite there. What this tells us is that the marketplace in general maybe isn't quite as bad as the media is portraying, but it really depends on what kind of home you have, the location of it, community, price range. So if you're thinking about making a move, there is definitely some great opportunities that are out there, some things that we can do to help you achieve your goals, but we really have to have an understanding of what it is you're trying to sell, what it is you're trying to buy, where is it, what's the price point, so that planning becomes really important. And that's something our team is talking about every single day, is those various niches in the marketplace. And we'd love to be able to talk to you about it. Please let us know if you have any questions, because these are interesting times in Alberta, and we want to make sure that your real estate experience is a positive one. Have a great day.